In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for PI planning. To get started, open your Jira project and make sure your work is structured clearly before any planning begins. A good PI planning setup depends on having the right hierarchy in place. Use epics for large business goals or major outcomes you want to achieve during the program increment. Then use stories for team-level work that contributes to those goals and tasks for smaller activities or supporting actions. This structure makes it much easier to understand how day-to-day work connects back to bigger business priorities. Next, create your PI goals in Jira. Go to Create Issue and select Epic. Each epic should represent a PI objective, major feature, or meaningful business outcome. When creating it, include the business value so teams understand why it matters, add a clear description of what the epic is intended to achieve, and define success criteria so everyone knows what completion looks like. For example, an epic might be something like improving the customer checkout experience, with related stories such as adding faster payment options or improving the checkout page design. After that, prepare your product backlog. Open the backlog view and review the issues you already have. This is a good time to clean up outdated items, remove anything no longer relevant, and make sure the most important work is prioritized properly. You should also add any missing requirements so the backlog reflects the work that may realistically be discussed during PI planning. A clean backlog helps teams make better decisions during planning sessions. Once the backlog is ready, open each epic and break it down into related stories. For every story, add a user story description, acceptance criteria, priority, and estimates. This level of detail helps teams understand the work and reduces confusion later. Well-defined stories are much easier to size, schedule, and deliver. The next step is estimating the work. Add story points to each story using your team's preferred estimation method, whether that's planning poker, t-shirt sizing, or team discussion. The key is consistency, so estimates can support realistic sprint planning. Then create future sprints in Jira and assign stories to each sprint. As you do this, balance the work based on team capacity, dependencies, and priorities. This helps avoid overloading teams and gives you a more achievable plan across the PI. You'll also want to track dependencies carefully. Open an issue, click Link Issue, and add relationships such as blocks, is blocked by, or relates to. This is especially important when multiple teams are involved because dependencies can affect delivery timing. Finally, if your Jira setup includes plans or roadmaps, open that view and add your epics and stories. This gives you visibility into the timeline, team capacity, delivery dates, and dependencies, making it much easier to monitor the full PI plan at a glance.